Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Cocomi has announced to hold meeting with the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA on May 27. Addressing a press meet held today at its Lamphelpat office, Cocomi convener Khuraijam Athoba informed that a 7-member delegation of the joint body of CSOs will leave Imphal for the meeting invited by MHA tomorrow. He went on to highlight that the meeting agenda, which include the Manipur ongoing crisis, resolutions adopted during the Manipur People's Convention held at Khuman Lampak on May 3rd of this year, and the recent Gwaltabi incident. While extending sympathy to the protesters injured in the action of the security forces during today's protest, Athoba argued that the injury caused to the public might have been prevented had police dealt it appropriately instead of using excessive force.
Hojik burning issue in the governor apology to Wadaba, Tangai Padaba State ki administrators sing top administrators sing asigi mathakta lokhat da thabak sing lokhatan leriba adunga ngasi dagi changja leiba miyam gi khongjang sing asigi issue sing asi khoi lakadoriba Delhi da pangthok mifam asida khoi satkadoriba delegation team asina soi khoi soidana ukhat charagani India government gi khwaidagi matik chaba khwaidagi maram chaina khanba misak aduda miyam gi ware basi sinanabagi Cocomi da chap chaba madugi thorang lei aduna high report si tanana bhonabada hayeng chakadoriba khongchat asina madugi portu tananabagi tangai phadaba necessary ekhoi procedure sing adu formality sing adu loina ma pangthok nana ba ekhoi honagani Gwaltabi gi thodokta state asigi identity bu singnarakpa ikaiba piba thodok ase machine priority na ekhoi ukhanana bu honaragani aduga convention da lokriba warep sing asi Mafam Chana India government da Thamba Yananabagi, Lambi Thidominabagi Tabadu, Home Ministry gi, Tim Maduga, Paminda Matamda, Madu Putona Nanaba, Wanabasina, Handaki, Hongsada Sigi, Agenda Oerga, Chacharagani, Hadanamang, Huntamzage,